today I'm going to be sharing you about Bugis. Okay, but there's a lot. Bugis is big. So to the next vlog, I'm going to share you about Bugis Street. So you see over here. This is the MRT station. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead. All right. So I was thinking that I've gone here for 2 years already. So why not I share with you about Bugis. So I want to share with you about Bugis and Golden Landmark. Arab Street, it's in front of Golden Landmark. So you can look at my vlog about Arab Street because I already shared with you about it. Okay. The red light over here, it's very, very long. I have to wait for a while. So you just it's very it's so annoying in the hot, you're in the hot weather and then you're standing here for so long. But today's windy, so it's fine. So this is Golden Landmark. It's a hotel and a shopping center. So we're gonna take the lift. Go to my dance class. This mall is usually for dancing or other shop stuff like the hotel people need. Okay, and usually you can also buy the Malay stuff here too. This is Tarva Travels and Tours. This one, see, and this is my dance class over here. All right. I learned Indian dance. You must see the Indian dance I have posted in my channel because I have performed in places also. So you must go to Channel Manager and search for my performances. So from here, usually it's very quiet here, really quiet. There are very few people in this mall because usually this is a hotel on the 4th floor, but then we can't go there. I mean, the 4th floor is a car park, but there's also one more left which we can't press. That's only for hotel, which we don't. So this is the mosque. It's a beautiful mosque. I've shown you before. This is my dance class, Dance Bollywood International, but I learning Kathak. I already shared with you that I already told you that I have this 4 videos in my channel that I've been shared about my performances, so you can watch it. All right. So it will take. So my teacher's gonna come soon because I'm always the first one here. Okay, and it's called Kala Pravaha. Okay. So, this Bugis is a very central place and it's very convenient if you want to go Marina Bay or Sentosas because it's in this it's in the center. So it's very convenient. There are also budget hotels, normal hotels, expensive hotels. There are so many kind of hotels here. So you can go in there, if you're a tourist, you can go in these hotels. And there's also Bugis Village, and it's also a tourist destination. You can also go there. Okay. Bugis Junction, we are here. Let's go in. First, level 1 is the branded bags, makeup and sunglasses and other woman things. So this is the makeup. All these bags. One is ammonia Calorino. Lotion. Perfumes. Gucci, Dior. It smells nice here. Well, water bottles, they're so good. Men and women clothing, this is level 2. Bags, wallets, belts, clothes. Bags, they're trolleys for you to buy travel luggage, shirts, wallets. Okay. And on weekends they have sales. So you can go check it out. You can go check out because weekends have sales. I have this and this, but I don't have this. Now we're gonna go up to level 3. Just say bowls, plates, and children things, items. See? Let's sell some vacuums. Happy wedding. Toys. Lunch boxes. School things. They're all children's stuff. See? I have this one. They have a sale. Glory Blueberry. These are lip glosses. Greta Green. Glory Blueberry. There is Cali birthday cake. Maya watermelon. This is Bianca bubblegum. This is Piper peach. Alright, there's a lot. So I've shown you. This is looking good. It's cute. Gotta go flamingo. Flamingo. Oh, gotta go. Oh, gotta go. Gotta go. Sheep you can like try, but then they all spoil it. You can like press the tongue, it'll make sound, but there's no battery, and it is 2. See? Like hug it. It's so cute. Okay, now this one. You can feed it. It's like the little lamb one, and you can walk it. See, leash included. Even the penguin has the leash included. See? There's more like this and this. Look at the ugly monsters. Ew, look at this. Fake teeth. What the? Ooh, look. This guy. Ew. Who would love to be their dentist? Look at them. What the? Ew. I don't like these. They're so disgusting. Look at this one. They don't even have eyes. Who would love to be their dentist, guys? It's their lips is so. Yeah, who would love to? So this is the bistro full of fucking kids. This is Pasta Mania. And then KFC. Japanese, you know this Japanese food. Yoshinoa, that's called Yoshinoa. Toriki. called Starch Fresh. This is Wow Taco. That's the BRG. Ritz apple strudel. 4 leaves. Time. Tangled. Yes, this is a soup spoon. This is donuts. Teppanyaki. This drink, it's a mixed drink. I mean, like for example, you take Coke, then you can have Coke Lychee or Sprite. So I took this, and this one, my mom and me, we ordered 2 6-inch veggie delight. Okay, so they sometimes write the number so that they know which one is yours because there are different vegetables and sauces. So in Subway you can have some vegetarian options like this one, and for Pasta Mania there's also some vegetarian pastas like the aglio margherita pizza. These are like, because margherita is only cheese, and veggie pizza, like only veggies. And there's some bakeries also with South cheap brownies, buns, cakes. Okay, they are cheap. Okay, so I'm gonna start eating. That's the bottom shop. We're still in the mall, but just that we're under this glass counter. Okay, that's all from me to you. And next vlog, we're gonna learn about we're gonna watch Bugis Village. You're gonna look at Bugis Village. How is it like? Okay, not learn animals. Okay. So I hope you like this vlog. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.